Rayyan and Fatima, come and play, learning Islam every day. Assalamu alaikum.
Ramzan is here, the month so bright. We wake for suhoor before the light. We fast with patience, kind and true. Allah is watching all we do. We help the poor, we share, we care. We make dua with hands in prayer. We speak good words, we try our best. Ramzan teaches hearts to rest. At iftar time we smile and say, thank you Allah at end of day. With dates and water, prayer and cheer, Ramzan comes once every year.
Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Kids Learn